Ejected out.
So it's very clean. Then you don't make mess around, even in the office or at home. Baby can use it. Anybody can use it. I mean, it's very friendly and very simple. All the This coffee machine, I would say we tried all this in a couple of years. The chance that it will break is very, very, very rare. I would say maybe 1 in 1 million. They are very solid, even if they are small, but they are very solid. They don't need maintenance. They don't need cleaning. It's very simple, very easy. Once you made your coffee, you finish. You just open it with some water, let it run. You see the fresh water is coming out. All right? That's been done. Thank you very much. Ready for